Hi there, this is Abrar from Dorik, and in today's video I will show you how you can add social icons to your Dorik website. So here I am on my website, and here I have the option to add element. These are empty columns, so I will click on add element and I will scroll down, and here is the option to find social icons. So I'll click on that, and boom, as you can see, social icons have appeared, 3 of them: Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You have the option on the right here to change the social icons. So here I am first on Facebook. So if I drop down this, I can change the icon if I want. There are a lot of icons. You can change it to Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Instagram, Messenger, Pinterest, all the way to WhatsApp. It can be anything. So let's change it to Messenger. So here I have the link type. It can be an external link or a page section or email to or a call option or a pop-up. So you can change it according to your requirements. You can change the URL, add the URL to your messenger. You can also change the option to open the link in the same tab or in the new tab. So here you have the option to duplicate an icon. As you can see, LinkedIn has been duplicated, or you can delete them with this bean icon here. You can also add a new icon. So let's add a YouTube icon here. So I'll go to this icon selection and click on YouTube, and the link type will be an external link, and the URL will be youtube.com, and I will change the option to open the link in a new tab. So there you go. Next, you can change the icon styles. You can change the icon color. You can give your own custom color if you want. You can change the type to outline or filled. You can change the shape to a circle or just square. You can change the size of the icons. You can also change the color of the icons like that with your brand color. You can also change the gap between these icons. You can change the alignment to the center or right. You can also change the direction. It can be vertical or horizontal. So this is how you can add icons to your Dorik site. It's very easy. You should check it out. If you have any further queries, you can let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any further queries, you can contact our support team or read our documentations. Thank you for using Dorik.